Johanna.
Hey guys, today's 15-minute or less journal page idea is to incorporate paints onto a page. So all you're going to need is some paint. So this is the page that I came up with in 15 minutes or less that actually included drying time with my heat tool. Obviously, if you don't have a heat tool, that doesn't matter. I think you can give yourself a little bit of extra drying time. But what I did was take some washi tape and I divided this page in half. I wanted to paint over the page and have a clean line, which is what the tape is going to do for me. I didn't want to paint over the whole entire page because I liked the pattern of that page and I wanted some of it to still show. And I decided to use black paint, but you can use whatever color you want and you don't have to paint your page the same way that I am. You can paint something more intricate, or you could paint the whole page. You can do whatever you want. I decided to use black paint because I wanted to do some journaling over the top with a white pen. I just really like the way that that looks. So I dried my page with my heat gun or my heat tool, and once that was dry, I took my white pen and I did some messy doodling up the side of the page or up the middle of the page. I just did some really simple little flowers just because that's something easy and quick you can draw. And once I was happy with that, I used the rest of the page to write with the same pen. And instead of writing like you normally would horizontally, I wrote vertically up the page. And that is the finished page, so super simple. I still had about 5 minutes left, but I was happy with how this turned out. So if you're joining in on this challenge today, the idea, like I said, is just to grab out some paint and do some kind of painting on a journal page in 15 minutes or less. Remember that hashtag 15-minute journal challenge if you want to share what you do, and I will see you in tomorrow's page idea.